makeup. You can see, this is 2 lipsticks. I love the colors. This is purple, this is blue, this is lip balm, and this is mirror. You can see. So it also has the light, and this is Elsa and Anna. I will show you the light. Wow, this is purple light. Now I will show you my rings. See, this is Olaf, and this is Elsa. Now I'll show you lip balms. See, you can see, and see, it's shining one. You can see. This is Elsa and Anna. So, next is mirror. This is ostrich. See. You can see. Ostrich yellow. It has front and back side. Next is my band. You can see it has so many flowers, like you can see, and the golden leaves. Nail paint. You can see this is Frozen, Anna and Elsa, purple one, Anna, yellow one, and Elsa, pink one. It's a, so you can see these are collections of nail paint. It has dark pink color, light pink color, yellow, purple. So next is my small golden clutcher. You can see it has design. So you can see. So next is my bracelet. It has glitter on it. This is party wear. You can see. You can see. This is silver glittery bracelet. So my next is this. This is golden bracelet. And see. And see, this is simple. You can wear it every day. So the next is my next bracelet. It has golden color and white color. I'll show you. Let's see. So this is my accessories. If you like, subscribe and share. Comment down below you like. So, bye bye.